all, in this video we are going to see about how to construct a class, and after that how to use a constructor, getter, setter, and methods in that, and how to manipulate it. Here I was given with the problem of creating a class called book and having necessary constructor and getter, setter functions. After that, in main class I have to create a object array for the book, and then for the first option I need to add book details, second edit number of copies, third get book details, and fourth display all books. Here every time I will be asking user whether he wants to continue or not each time. For that we are using a do while loop here. So first we will start with the class book. Here I have three arguments: book title, data type string, book author, and number of copies. First I created a no argument constructor for that class book, and after that, using this pointer as a self pointer, I'm creating another constructor with three arguments: book, author, and number of copies. After that, I'm having the setter, getter statements. How to create this setter, getter statements means right click, you will get one option in set code, and you need to create either constructor or toString or whatever you need, and you will get option for what attributes you want that to be done. If you click, you will get this everything automatically done here. What is the use means we will be giving the value what is the book, and it will directly assign it to the value and it will return it. After that, I have a display method with name toString1. I will be displaying the book title, book author, and number of copies. Going to the main class, I'm using a scanner class and its object to take the input. Here you can see I created a object book B, and for it an array I created, array of objects. I will be using those. I will be putting these three values in each book differently. I'm here using a do while statement. I will ask the user if he wants to continue or not after the each time. You can see that I given it here. If he wants to continue, he will press 1. If he doesn't want to continue and wants to exit, he will press 2. After that, for case 1, I need to add the book details. I'm using a simple for loop to add books. Each thing you can see there, and a break statement. And in case 2, I need to edit the number of copies. I will ask the user with how he wants to change the number of copies, and with a for loop. And here to get the specific book, we can use this line, the whatever the attribute dot equals and the key. This is the way we find the assignment for the string data type from attributes using equals. What this does means this key will be compared with the get title of the book. If you want to ignore the upper cases and lower cases, you can use dot equals is ignore dot equals ignore case if you want to ignore, and if you want to just take both capital and small letters as same. And third one, you can see I want the specific book details. I will be asking the user for the book details, and I will be printing those using the print function. If the book is not found, it will display an error. And case 4, I will be displaying all books. Now we will see the output. Enter number of books to be added. I will add 2 books. First I have to give the book details. First book is Java, author is number of copies 50, book 2 Java, and number of copies. Do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. I want to edit number of copies. Title of the book Java, number of copies updated as I had initially 60. I will add 5 more, so the total has to be 55. Updated number of copies of 55, as you can see here. Do you wish to continue? Yes. I want the book details. I want to find Java book details. You can see a book title Java, author Raj, number of copies 55. And do you wish to continue? Yes. I just want to print all books. You can see a book title Java, book author Raj, number of copies 55, book title Java 2, book author Raj, number of copies 56. And if I want to exit, I will just press 2, and it is exited. So this is my function. Thank you.